Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on Devices icon to open the Devices page. And here you should see your Watch Ultimate on the list of devices. Tap on it. Now scroll through this page, find the option called App Gallery and tap on it. If you don't see the option called App Gallery, it could be because when you were installing the app for the first time, the Huawei Health app, you selected the region that doesn't support the feature, because some of the regions apparently don't support the watch faces and app gallery. So you could try reinstalling the app, selecting a different region, and that hopefully will fix your problem. Anyway, now let's continue. Let's tap on the app gallery. Then tap on Manager. And here we have the list of updates available for the apps. As you can see, we have one update for the Petal Maps. We can tap on the Update button and wait until it's done updating. Okay, and once the update is complete, it will disappear from this page right here, and we can close the app. Okay, and that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.